What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and today gagawin ng bibili ng yung egg tsaka biscuit. So alam mo, gusto ko pa isi yung pinaka ng 2 days na lang bago mag 14th birthday na. So let's try, subukan natin yung pinaka bibili ako ng egg tsaka biscuit. Okay, let's go. Psst. Bakal po! Usat, egg, tsaka kombi. Thank you very much. Isang sa eggs. Thank you. Thank you. So alright guys, so most powerful plan, yung most powerful yung egg tsaka biscuit. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace. Bye bye. Psst.